In today's video, I'm going to teach you smarter workflows in Google Sheets. We're going to turn your spreadsheets from static grids into a dynamic system that collects data, processes it, and communicates updates automatically, so you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on decisions. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with automated data entry and processing. The easiest win is using Google Forms. Build a form with required fields, link it to your sheet, and every new response will land in a clean, consistent row. This instantly eliminates copy-paste errors and gives you a single source of truth. Next, lean on Smart Fill with AI. If you have patterns in your data, like extracting first names from full names, type the result for a couple of rows in a new column. Sheets will often suggest the rest. Just press Tab to accept. Always skim the preview to confirm it's correct before applying. Finally, automate external data imports with add-ons like Coupler.io or Supermetrics. Connect your marketing, finance, or CRM sources, choose what to pull, and schedule automatic refreshes. Your dashboards stay current without manual updates, and you can control refresh frequency and permissions to keep data secure. Now, let's make your sheet communicate. With Google Apps Script, you can send customized emails when conditions are met, like a new row added, a task marked overdue, or low inventory. Open Extensions, then Apps Script, write a simple check for your condition, and add a trigger to run on edit or on a schedule. Test on a copy to avoid spamming your team. For real-time chat alerts, integrate Sheets with Slack or Microsoft Teams using Zapier or a sheet automation add-on. Choose the trigger, such as a status change, and post a clear message to the right channel so everyone stays aligned. You can also set time-driven triggers to send weekly summaries every Friday at 8 a.m. Be sure your project's time zone is set correctly so schedules run when you expect. For streamlined project and task management, build lightweight approval workflows. A checkbox can signal, ready for review, and a script or automation can notify the next approver. If you have multiple levels, use a status column to move items through each stage. To keep tasks synchronized across tools, integrate your sheet with Trello or ClickUp so new rows create tasks and updates stay in sync. Map fields carefully and use a unique ID column to prevent duplicates. Finally, if your process needs a friendlier interface, use AppSheet to convert your data into a custom web or mobile app. It's great for inventory or field collection, and updates flow right back into Sheets. Put these pieces together, and you'll have a connected, automated ecosystem that reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and communicates on time. True smarter workflows in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.